Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best MTD Lawn Mower Parts is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your lawn looking pristine, ensuring your MTD mower runs smoothly and efficiently season after season. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having reliable parts is crucial for tackling overgrown grass, maintaining a healthy lawn, and preventing costly breakdowns that can interrupt your weekend chores. This video will guide you through selecting the right components to maximize your mower's performance and longevity. Number 5. Riding Lawn Mower Garden Tractor Seat LMS 2002. Introducing a comfortable and durable seat designed for your riding lawn mower or garden tractor. This black vinyl seat offers a premium feel for your outdoor tasks. This seat is compatible with a variety of brands including Gravely, MTD, Snapper, Toro, and many others. Please compare the Bilt pattern to your existing seat to ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. While it fits many models, it does not fit every model for the brands listed. Always check the Bilt pattern reference to ensure compatibility with your specific machine. It includes a provision for an operator presence switch, ensuring safety during operation. The switch itself is not included but is available separately. Constructed with a sturdy metal pan and covered in black vinyl, this seat is built to last. Its dimensions are 19 inches wide, 18.5 inches long, and 10 inches high with a 2.5-inch thickness. Experience enhanced comfort during long hours of yard work. This seat is designed to provide support and durability for your tractor. What we like. This seat offers a durable black vinyl construction for long-lasting use. It includes a provision for an operator presence switch, enhancing safety. If you're looking to replace a worn-out seat on a variety of lawn tractor brands and need a reliable, comfortable option, this is a great choice. What people say. This seat worked perfectly. After drilling new holes in the seat bracket, the new seat attached perfectly. The quality of the new seat is very good. It fit my Bilt Super Bronco. I was able to use the original bolts, and did not need to modify. It also has a variety of bolt patterns for many models. Excellent fit. Actually better and wider seat than the original Craftsman LT200 seat number 180597. This vendor might be the only one I found to provide detailed chart of attachment points and thread sizes. Number 4. 810 Deck Rebuild Kit for Cadet and Bilt 42-inch. Restore your mower's cutting performance with this comprehensive deck rebuild kit. It includes all the essential parts to get your mower back in top shape. This kit features durable blades, spindles, belts, and idlers designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. You can trust these parts for reliable operation. It's engineered for a wide range of popular mower models. This ensures a proper fit for many Cadet, Bilt, Craftsman, and other compatible brands. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit will help you quickly replace worn-out components. Get back to mowing with confidence and ease. Easily match the included parts with your original equipment using the provided OEM part numbers. This makes selecting the right kit simple and accurate. Don't let worn parts compromise your lawn care. This kit provides an excellent solution to refresh your mower's deck and achieve a perfect cut every time. What we like. This kit provides all the essential components to rebuild your mower's deck, including blades, spindles, belts, and idlers. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of Cadet, Bilt, and Craftsman models with 42-inch decks. If your mower's cutting performance has degraded due to worn deck components and you want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this rebuild kit is ideal. What people say. This part is a perfect fit for my MTD mower. The quality of the material is excellent and it feels very durable. It was easy to install and works just like the original part. Number 3. MTD 38-inch SD Deck Assembly. Ensure your equipment runs smoothly with genuine parts from MTD. These are OEM authorized replacements designed for optimal performance. This is a direct replacement for your 38-inch SD deck assembly. It comes complete with wheel brackets for easy installation. It is designed to fit various MTD models. You can trust its compatibility and quality for your specific machine. The OEM part number for this assembly is 983-04263-0637. This ensures you are getting the exact part you need. Choose this MTD replacement part for a reliable and durable solution. It's built to meet the high standards you expect from MTD. What we like. This is a genuine MTD replacement part, ensuring quality and a perfect fit for your MTD mower. It's a 38-inch deck assembly that comes complete with wheel brackets, ready for installation. If you have a specific MTD model that requires a new deck and you prioritize using authentic, manufacturer-approved parts for optimal performance and longevity, this assembly is the way to go. What people say. This replacement deck seems to be OEM in good fit. The deck was in excellent condition. Tightly secured so it cannot move in the package. This deck is identical to the original. Number 2. MTD 42-46-inch riding mower double bagger. Introducing the MTD double bagger, designed for your riding mower. It efficiently collects grass, keeping your lawn tidy and healthy. This bagger is compatible with most Bilt, Cadet, Craftsman, and other leading brands with 42 or 46-inch decks from 2010 onwards. Featuring flex tubing, it provides a clear view of grass flow, preventing clogs and ensuring efficient operation. You'll always know when the bags are full. The integrated, top-hinged hood makes bag removal simple. You won't need to flip the seat up, saving you time and effort during cleanup. Bagging grass helps prevent thatch buildup, fostering healthier lawn growth and enhancing your home's curb appeal. With a large 6.5 bushel capacity, it handles significant amounts of grass, leaving no clumps behind and saving you valuable time. What we like. This double bagger boasts a generous 6.5 bushel capacity, meaning fewer stops to empty. Its flex tubing allows you to easily monitor grass flow and prevent clogs, while the integrated top-hinged hood makes bag removal a breeze. If you have a 42 or 46-inch riding mower from brands like Bilt or Cadet and want to efficiently collect clippings for a cleaner lawn and encourage growth, this bagger is an excellent upgrade. What people say. It fits my Craftsman T110 lawn tractor perfectly. The bags fit perfectly in their slots and have a sturdy handle at the bottom to hold the bag as you empty it. This was a perfect fit for my Craftsman riding mower. It was easy to assemble and the instructions were easy to follow. Number 1. MTD 942-0741A Mulching Blade. Introducing the 21-inch Mulching Blade, engineered for precise cutting. It effectively mulches grass clippings into fine particles for a cleaner lawn. This blade offers wide compatibility, fitting various MTD, Craftsman, Bilt, and other top models. It's designed for mowers manufactured from 2012 onwards. It's a perfect fit for many walk-behind mower models, ensuring optimal performance. Check your owner's manual for specific model numbers. This blade serves as a direct replacement for several Cadet models. Ensure a proper fit by consulting your mower's manual. To guarantee the right fit for your mower, always refer to your owner's manual. Model numbers are typically found on the mower deck housing. What we like. These 21-inch mulching blades are engineered to finely chop grass clippings, returning vital nutrients to your lawn. They offer broad compatibility with many walk-behind mower models from MTD, Craftsman, and Bilt, as well as select Cadet units. If you own a 21-inch mower and are looking to improve your lawn's health by mulching clippings effectively, these blades are a perfect fit. What people say. This part was a perfect fit for my MTD mower. The quality of the material seems very durable and it was easy to install. It has been working great so far, no issues at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.